friends, it's Miss Allison from the Greater Valley YMCA. How are you? Today, we're going to learn about recycle building. We're actually going to build with things from my recycle bucket. So what you can do is collect items from your recycle, making sure they're clean, and you can rinse out the cans and the bottles. And I thought maybe we could make a tower by stacking the boxes, maybe even in order of size. How many we can do before it falls over. So we can try that. Use these as we would use blocks if we were able to actually go to school. I have an ice cream container. And let's see how tall it can actually get. It would all depend on how many items you have in your recycle. So we were able to make a nice tower here out of boxes. Maybe we could try one out of cans also. They have the bottom, so they're easy to stack if you turn them upside down. Stack them. You can see, I don't have that many cans, but you could build and you could see which one you could get taller. Always starting with the biggest, going to the smallest so that it's stable as you build it. I also have some plastic items that if we decided instead of towers to create buildings, we could include and incorporate in our architecture of the building. So what we could do is mix everything together and maybe create a castle, or maybe we could create a building, a hospital, maybe a restaurant or a movie theater, or maybe a school. You could build and you could try and create symmetry. It almost looks like a robot, this being the head and these being the legs. That's other things that you could try to build. And it just requires balancing, and the symmetry means making it the same on both sides. So that's some other things that we can do with our clean recycled items from our recycle bucket. You can also sort them by what they are. The things that we recycle are plastics, which I'm going to put here. Bottles, which would be glass bottles. Cans. And paper. And then I thought we could sort some of this recycle and see what we have. So believe it or not, boxes would go under paper because they're cardboard and they're made out of trees. Another thing that would go under paper would be newspaper. That would go under paper because those are also made out of trees. We have some cans. Obviously, would go right under cans. Bottles that are glass. I actually only have one, a barbecue sauce bottle. And then plastics, we have lots of bottles and water bottles and milk jugs and some soda bottles. And again, the cardboard would be paper. So this is how you could sort your recycle when you're finished building with it. There's lots of different activities that you could do as you're recycling and helping the earth for Earth Day. So now that we sorted this out, most of it, seems we have mostly boxes here at my house, which is good because these can break down in a landfill or be recycled into more paper. So thank you for joining me as we built with our recycle. We made towers and we made buildings, we made a robot, and we sorted our recycle. So thank you and happy Earth Week.